A performance that truly matters for each and every one of us. This is what you've been waiting for. See it at least once in your lifetime. Shen Yun, coming to Belk Theater, March 2nd to the 4th. Tickets at shenyun.com/Charlotte.
Really like to hear hard rain on our roof.
At least the next couple of hours are going to feel this way and sound this way, Lainey?
Yeah, they are, and we could have some thunder as well. Flashes of lightning have all been pretty frequent over the mountains and foothills with this line. You see Greensboro right now getting ready to have some rain moving in, so most folks we hope are already home and don't have plans to head out this evening. Rain and storms are likely, some heavy thunderstorms as well. Now overnight we'll have a few showers. They'll be tapering off. The wind will pick up, and it is windy and colder heading into tomorrow. Even some mountain snow showers are in the forecast. You can see the rain cooled air. Temps are in the 40s in Mount Airy, North Wilkesboro. We've got 60s though down around Asheboro as well as Lexington. Winds picking up out of the south at about 10 to 20 miles an hour. Weather impact is for the next several hours between now and about 10 o'clock. Gusty winds with the front, 20-35 mile per hour gusts, but could also have isolated damaging winds. Some small hail also a possibility. Can't rule out isolated tornadoes either. We're talking about some heavy rain that comes down too. Our lower threats are hail and tornadoes with more significant threat of heavy rain and damaging wind, but even that, as far as the Storm Prediction Center goes, is kind of a low threat. We're in that marginal risk zone, but we can have isolated severe thunderstorms in that area. It's possible, only takes one. You've got some pea-size hail reports over North Wilkesboro as well as Rhonda, that from earlier this afternoon. That line is now migrated east into the Piedmont Triad, and you see the heaviest rains along with the lightning from Martinsville south now into western Rockingham County around Madison and Mayodan, and then you continue down south over Forsyth County with some thunder and lightning too being picked up here. Flashes showing up near Wahlberg and also right on the border between Forsyth and Guilford counties. As we go back toward the west, Davie County is the only one in our area that is included in a tornado watch. Just within the last 15 minutes, we've had a tornado warning that's been issued in the Charlotte metro area, and this for the northern part of Mecklenburg County. You see quite a bit of lightning with that too. They saw something on the radar, looked like maybe a little hook echo, so they went ahead and issued that warning. There are no reports of any funnel clouds or anything like that. We're going to keep a close eye on this. It is possible this tornado watch zone could be extended north and east into central North Carolina, but the highest threat for severe weather remains to our south. You see that slight risk zone from Charlotte down to Columbia. That's really where we look for the most activity as far as tornadoes go as well. Wind damage could extend northward into our area. We've not seen a lot of tornadic activity over South Carolina or Georgia. You have to go back to Alabama for most of the tornadoes over the last 12 hours. Here's how the line may look between about 6 and 7 o'clock. You can see it pushing into Forsyth County. By about 8 o'clock, it is weakening a little bit, but over Alamance as well as Randolph, and then moving east with still some showers around 10, 11, midnight, and then we'll see a transition to some much colder air and even some snow showers by early tomorrow morning expected in some of the higher elevations of the mountains. For your Friday, it's definitely cooler with highs in the upper 40s, close to 50. The wind is going to make it feel a whole lot colder. Northwest wind at 10 to 20 miles an hour. Also gusty winds in the foothills with a high of 47. A blustery day in the mountains with that chance for some snow flurries and snow showers. Temperatures hovering in the 30s. We actually have a winter weather advisory that has been posted for Ashe, Allegheny, as well as Watauga counties, Grayson County. I shouldn't say that. Allegheny not in this. It's Grayson, Ashe, and Watauga, where we could see some measurable snow, most of that above 3,500 feet. So go ahead and prepare on slippery road conditions in the mountains tomorrow morning and perhaps for tomorrow evening's commute. It is drier heading into the weekend.